Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I am going to give you a complete roundup of the latest tech updates and launches happening right now. From AI gadgets to powerful chips and futuristic devices, this year is packed with innovation. But not just that, I will break things down in a simple way so you understand how these updates actually impact your daily life. Because tech is no longer just about specs, it's about how it changes the way we live, work, and communicate. So sit back because in the next few minutes, you will be fully updated with everything important in tech. But before starting this video, kindly subscribe to our channel and like this video and share this video with your friends and family. So let's get back to the video. Let's start with the biggest trend, artificial intelligence. In 2026, AI is no longer just a software, it's becoming part of physical products. We are seeing AI integrated into smart homes, personal assistants, and even basic gadgets. The focus has shifted from simple automations to smarter systems that can actually understand your behavior. For example, your smart home can now learn your routine, when you wake up, when you sleep, and automatically adjust light, fan, or AC. Another example is content creation. Platforms are now giving creators AI tools that can edit videos, generate scripts, and even suggest thumbnails. This means creators can produce better content faster. And this is just the beginning. AI is moving towards becoming your personal assistant that can think, plan, and act on your behalf. Next, robots are no longer just experimental. At major tech events like CES 2026, we saw robots that can perform real life tasks like cooking, assisting elderly people, and even handling household chores. For example, there are robots that are designed to work in kitchens that can cook food with precision. Some robots can act as personal assistants, helping people carry items or even reminding them of taking medicines. Tesla's Optimus robot is a great example. It is designed to handle repetitive tasks in factories like lifting objects, sorting items, and reducing human workload. We are also seeing robots becoming more human like in interaction and movements. This clearly shows that robotics is moving from concept to real world use. Now, here's something interesting. New AI powered gadgets are trying to reduce our dependence on smartphones. These devices focus more on voice interaction rather than apps. For example, wearable AI devices such as smart rings or compact assistant can take notes, send messages, and give reminders immediately. You don't even need to unlock your phone. Some devices are designed to act like a second brain, remembering everything for you, meetings, ideas, tasks, and giving you information exactly when you need it. This could be a big shift because instead of spending hours on apps, technology might become more invisible and assist you in the background. Now, moving on to entertainment. TVs and displays are improving rapidly. We are seeing brighter OLED panels, ultra thin designs, and better color accuracy. For example, modern TVs use AI to automatically adjust brightness, contrast, and sound based on what you are watching. If you are watching a movie, it optimizes for cinema quality. If you are gaming, it reduces lag and improves response time. Another big trend is cloud gaming. Some TVs now allow you to play high-end games without a console, just using the internet. So entertainment is becoming smarter, more immersive, and more convenient. Under the hood, performance is improving massively. New chipsets are being built specifically for AI tasks, which means devices are becoming faster and more efficient. For example, laptops can now run AI models locally. like video editing, voice processing, and image generation tools without the need of internet. This not only improves the speed but also increases the privacy because your data stays on your device. We are also seeing better battery efficiency, meaning devices last longer even in heavy usage. Overall performance is no longer just about speed, it's about intelligence and efficiency. Finally, smart homes are becoming smarter than ever. Devices are now designed to improve your daily life automatically. For example, smart refrigerators can now track your daily groceries and suggest you what to buy. Health devices can monitor your heart rate, sleep, and activity levels continuously. AI voice recorders can transcribe meetings, summarize conversations, and organize your notes automatically. Some systems can even predict your needs, like adjusting your room temperature before you arrive home. This shows that technology is moving towards convenience, automation, and better lifestyle management. So, overall, 2026 is all about AI, smarter ecosystems, and real world usability. Technology is no longer just exciting, it's becoming essential in our daily lives. And honestly, this is just the beginning. The next few years are going to bring even more changes. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to TechSavvy Indian. Let me know in the comments which tech update you are excited the most. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.